Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia, is a charming place with a unique landscape and rich cultural heritage. Located in the heart of the country, Ulaanbaatar offers a combination of traditional Mongolian charm and modern urban development. For those planning to visit Ulaanbaatar, viewing drone footage can be an invaluable resource. Not only does it give a complete overview of the city's layout from above, but it also highlights lesser-known neighborhoods that are worth exploring. The city's peyzad is characterized by the vast open spaces, rolling hills, and stunning mountain ranges that surround it. Ulaanbaatar is also known for its harsh winters and hot summers, which adds to its distinct climate. In recent years, Ulaanbaatar has seen an increase in tourism infrastructure, with new hotels, restaurants, and entertainment venues popping up to cater to visitors from all over the world. Travelers can enjoy authentic Mongolian cuisine or purchase local handicrafts at various markets throughout the city.